Hello everyone, this is my first video concerning MetaTrader 4. I will make a series of tutorials about the program. It's one of the most widely used programs by brokers around the world for trading, and a lot of people want to know how to use it when they open an account or before they open a real account with a broker. So I'm here to help you. Let's start with an overview of the program. The program itself, it hasn't changed a lot for the last around 8-10 years. I'm recording this in 2016, so it's pretty simple to use, but you have to know the basics. Let's start with the overview. As you see, here is the panel where you can see different options you can use. For example, in here you can choose time frames: monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, 4 hour, 1 hour, and up to 1 minute. If you click on this icon, it's called Market Watch, or you can hit combination of keys Ctrl+M. You will see series of instruments provided by your broker. If you do not see all the symbols in here, you can simply right click and click then show all. So it will show all the instruments provided by your broker. You see there are CFDs, Bitcoin, USD, silver, gold. Let's check out silver, for example. Simply, for example, if you want to view a chart of the instrument, simply drag and drop it into the chart area. See? For example, if you want to see, let's find USD JPY currency pair. Simply drag and drop it into the chart area, and you will see the chart. For example, a daily chart. I'll just delete that, I had it previously. How to open a trade. There are many ways you can open a trade in MetaTrader. Let's start by showing you how to enable one-click trading. One-click trading is useful during news. For example, if you want to open a position quickly, you may simply enter a combination of buttons on your computer, Alt plus T. See? It came up here. This is one-click trading. If you click Alt and T again on a Windows computer, it disappears, of course. Let's do it again. So for example, we want to buy one lot of USD JPY. We think it's going to continue rising. So we simply type 1.0. In Forex you trade in lots. Long position, buy, one click, that's it, position is open. As you can see, it shows you this is your order ID number, and it shows you it's buy, order, and one lot. Now you want to see if you're actually making a profit or a loss, and where you are standing, how much money you have. It's very important to know it and to monitor it. Maybe if not constantly, but from time to time, so you do not lose too much money or you close a position when you actually made a profit. So in order to do that, you have to click this icon in here, terminal. Looks like that. Also you can click Ctrl+T in order to see it. So let's do it. And here we see our position. One lot, long position, buy of USD JPY. Current price. Stop loss, take profit. We didn't set any, so it has a value of 0. As you see, it already has a minus. You may ask me, why you just opened the position, why does it already have a minus 60 euro? Well, this is because of the spread. When you trade, you have spread. Spread is the difference between bid and ask price. So the tighter the spread, the better it is for you to trade. In order to view the spread, let's make it 1 minute chart. See, this is the spread. Ask and bid line, the difference between them. So the price is actually declining, as you see, and I bought the instrument, so I'm actually losing a bit of money, but I have plenty of margin, free margin as well, so I'm okay. I can even more open more trades easily, since my balance is 10,000 euro, and I just opened one lot. So this is called terminal window. Here you can monitor open trades and modify them as well by double clicking, and see, it opens the details, and it already has type modify order. If you do not have it shown right away, you can simply click here. Sometimes it has market execution by default. Simply click here, drop down menu, and you can set modify order, but you can actually also place stop loss and take profit in here. In order to close the position, you simply have to click this button, close. If you click sell, it will actually open another position, another sell position. See, it opened another position. So if you want to close the position, always make sure you click close. And see, it disappeared. And actually the price started moving and I closed it. So I actually had to wait. I would have made some money. Well, let's close this one as well. I have to note that this is a demo account, as you can see. Telenex is the broker I chose, so it's not real money. Demo account doesn't trade real money, it's virtual. But there are no other differences between live trading and demo trading other than on demo trading funds are not real, and on live account you actually trade your own funds. So it would be of course a bit more stressful, or you would have to think through better and place stop losses and take profits. But I will talk about that later in my other videos. So if you click on account history in the terminal tab, you will see history of the trades you made. As you see, I made plenty of trades previously. I had this account for a few years with them, so they're in hundreds in there. And let's maybe check the basics. For example, File tab. Through the File tab, you can log into your account or open another demo account usually. Again, I will talk about that later as well. View tab as well, it regulates this bar as well in here, view toolbars. For example, if you deselect time frames, you do not see any time frames, so you cannot really choose them. So let's select them again, time frames. Here you can insert indicators. Those are indicators that are already in MetaTrader 4 by default. Like for example, %R indicator I'm using here. I find it quite useful. Charts, again, you can choose time frames here as well. You can choose how it is displayed. You can display chart in bar chart, like it is right now. Or, for example, you can also choose it here, it's the same. It's easier for me to click icons because I can visually see all the options I have, and sometimes if you need to make quick decisions, it's useful. This is bar chart, see? We can maximize, we can zoom in and see. So the filled in actually means it closed lower than it opened, and the MT1 means that it closed, of course, higher than it opened. But it all depends. You can change the settings, change colors, play around. Again, I will talk about that later as well. Tools, options. For example, if you want to change a password for your demo account, you click Tools, Options, then Server tab, then you see here's your password, and then you click Change. But you will have to type your current password at first. Make sure you have selected Change Master Password. It's usually selected by default. And then you type a new password and then confirm by typing the new password again. Just like when you change PIN codes on your mobile phone. And then do not forget to click OK. So in order to change a password, go to Tools, Options, Server tab, and then Change. Of course, you have to be logged into your account. To make sure you're logged into your MetaTrader account, you can see numbers running in here. That means it's running, so you're receiving information. If you're not logged in, you will see an error message in here, something like no connection or invalid account. So it depends. Those are the basics. There is actually a lot to talk about, a lot to explain. If you want me to explain something particular, I will do that, of course. Write in comments. And of course I included my link that you can use to open an account with this broker as well, Telenex Demo or Live. You'll be able to choose on their website. That will be in the description. I hope this was useful and hope to see you soon.